I'm making this video for Hibernia-nation. He left me a comment on my removing seats from a C4 Picasso. This is a 2015 C4 Picasso. Now, his was a Grand Picasso. This is a normal Picasso, but I imagine the seats would be similar. But it should be pretty simple. The seats come off the runners. I'm not a mechanic, but I'm a minimum wage worker. I work these things out for myself, So I put this truck here to hold down the handle to allow these to move. It's quite simple. Do you see them tabs there? That's bent down. Them tabs, they're bent over. Them tabs hit them things. You see where that's sitting up? So if his come off the runners, either that has got bent down or them's got bent up. It's probably them got bent down. And that is what stops it coming off. That's what stops it coming off the rail. It's the same with the back here. You don't see the back ones, but it's the exact same. These tabs here hit the same things at the back rail. So if he takes a seat out, if you take your seat out, slide your runner on, get a screwdriver and bend them things back up again. So it won't come off again. So it'll be pretty simple, just get a screwdriver underneath, and I can't see them bending. But that's pretty simple. Just hold your handle down to release the lock. You see? There's your lock there, you see. So she won't slide on or off until you pull your handle down. So you can do what I do, put a weight down. If you've got a weight will do it for you. Hold it down. So it'll be pretty simple fix. So I'll put this on YouTube now straight away, and hopefully this helps you.